Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Srijan and you are watching TechExposure. So today in this video we are going to learn how to make a gaming logo like this on your computer. So hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video right now.
So guys, we are in our computer now. Now we need to open a browser. So and you need to get on this website here. So you'll get link from the description. Go check it out and watch the full video if you don't want to pay anything for your amazing stunning logo. So I'll be customizing this. You can customize any what which you like. So here it's very easy to customize. You just need to double click on the text and keep your channel link. So I'll keep channel here and you just need to cross it, nothing more. Then to export I'll make take. Okay, I'll do capital one. Okay, take. So it's done. So now the main part is inspect. So how to inspect your logo so that you can use it for your YouTube and for your company. So you can see elements and the most important element is this one. So I'll be giving this in the description box. Go check it out. And after finding this, you just need to click this and you can see your position. So you can untick that and your logo is clear and free from the background and it's looking very cool. So guys, now how to get this? To get this, you just need to open your snipping tool. Yes guys, this is the snipping tool. It's on your computer from first only, so you can rectangular snip. And what you need to do is you need to select your logo from here. So guys, we have got our logo. Now you can save it. I'll save it on desktop. So capture 3, and guys, our work is done. Thank you for